Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make wine pasta. Start by boiling salted water and measuring pasta portions. Pour a cup of wine into a warm pan and gently simmer to reduce alcohol and concentrate flavor. Sauté garlic and shallots in olive oil, then add wine and cream if desired, stirring until slightly thickened. Toss cooked pasta with sauce, add pasta water as needed, and finish with herbs and cheese. Select aromatics like garlic and shallots and gently sweat them in olive oil or butter without browning. Add the wine and let it simmer until reduced by half to deepen the flavor without overpowering the pasta. Stir in a splash of cream or a knob of butter off the heat to create a silky sauce. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon if it needs brightness before tossing with pasta. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you cook. They last through every kitchen spill and marathon prep session. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick your size, and treat your feet. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, immediately transfer pasta into the pan with sauce and toss gently off the heat to marry flavors without overcooking. Add reserved pasta water in small amounts until the sauce coats each strand evenly. Finish with a handful of fresh herbs, grated cheese, and a light drizzle of olive oil for shine and flavor. Serve warm on preheated plates and encourage guests to enjoy the balanced, wine-forward taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.